racing today on the 27th of November 2023. Here's Haagan Urheilutie, Haaga Sport Bag 15 seconds old, and the only one with an elevator in the building. It was built in 1958, turning 65 sold this year in 2023, and the number is a 7376 with 5 floors. Expected 2025 accessory heights. Haaga Helsinki sportscoach in Finland, but next to Vauhti Huplaks railway station and light rail stop on the light rail line 15.
Yeah. Inspekteert by Lift Control Finland and maintained by Spolnissi.
That was very disturbing, but it didn't matter.
Yeah.
At least it didn't say anything.
Yeah. And we got the floor indicator filmed.
Yeah, it was actually an advantage.
Yeah.
We took advantage of the situation instead.
Yeah.
Oh, this is very amazing. There's a lot of the interior here.
Same here.
I love the smell also and the sounds.
Same here. Fortunately, the light fixture is still original.
Ah, yes. And the lamp, or the lampshade.
Yeah.
Lampshade is original, but unfortunately the alarm bell was changed from the doorbell type to the generic. That's the only bad thing here. It had been changed in the 1990s.
Yeah.
Otherwise, is the one of the best in Haaga.
Yeah.
And Haaga.
That's